Good afternoon, everybody. I'm going to talk to you about general AI. So we're going to talk about the different distinctions between artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. So I'm going to be using one of the works I did back in my time at the National Hydrocarbon Agency here in Bogota, in Colombia, and as part of my internship. I based this presentation on a class that's from Massachusetts Institute of Technology that is related to the introduction to deep learning. So we'll get started with the definition between these three concepts. There are artificial intelligence, which is any technique that enables computers to mimic human behavior. We also have machine learning, which is the ability to learn without explicitly being programmed. So we have anything from statistical learning algorithms that could be either supervised or unsupervised. And we also have deep learning, which extract patterns from data using neural networks. One of the key upshots or like benefits of having deep learning is that you don't need handcrafted features, and this speeds up the pre-processing stage and also like the general workflow. You can just more or less plug in the raw data and get very interesting results with this deep neural network. So this is what I was mentioning. One of the interesting features of neural networks is that a bit similarly how the human cortex works, it builds on hierarchical representations of what we're going to like analyze. So back in the early days of AI, there were two researchers, Hugel and Wiesel, that did some work on the visual cortex of cats, and they found out that some parts here in the occipital brain were responsible at first of generating like low-level features. So this would be lines and edges. And then gradually, as we move in from like the B1 area to the B2 to the B3, which are like specific visual cortex terms, we get to more abstract features. So it's interesting to see the parallelism between the deep learning approach and like the human slash cat visual cortex. So that's a very interesting area of research. Here, currently doing my master's in Universidad de los Andes, and what I will try to do is use the techniques of both deep learning and computer visions to try to understand a bit how the brain works, and in part that also entails learning how our occipital brain back here processes visual information, but also many more things like brain tumor segmentation. So yeah, a bit of a late submission, but yeah, one colleague, Irina, convinced me to apply for the mentorship, and if given a chance, it would be cool to like form a community and share with you guys my I don't claim to be an expert, but my like basic knowledge and understanding and my passion for AI. So thank you very much.